Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen appliances to whip up your favorite meals? Imagine a single, sleek device that blends, processes, and preps with unmatched ease and precision. Enter this NutriBullet Triple Prep System, a revolutionary 3-in-1 kitchen powerhouse designed to simplify your culinary life. Whether you're a busy parent, a smoothie enthusiast, or a home chef craving versatility, this system promises to transform your kitchen experience. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why the NutriBullet Triple Prep System is a must-have, diving into its features, benefits, and real-world performance to help you decide if it's the perfect fit for your kitchen. Why the NutriBullet Triple Prep System stands out. The NutriBullet Triple Prep System isn't just another blender. It's a multifunctional marvel that combines a full-size blender, a single-serve blender, and a food processor into one compact, stylish unit. With a 1,500-watt motor, it tackles everything from silky smoothies to kneaded dough with ease. Its vessel recognition technology is a game-changer, automatically adjusting settings based on the attachment you use, eliminating guesswork and ensuring perfect results every time. Whether you're blending a family-sized batch of soup or chopping veggies for a quick stir-fry, this system delivers unmatched versatility and convenience, solving common kitchen challenges. The NutriBullet Triple Prep System addresses the frustrations of cluttered countertops and time-consuming meal prep. No more wrestling with multiple appliances or cleaning a pile of dishes. Its dishwasher-safe components and compact storage design make cleanup and organization a breeze. The 7-cup food processor bowl and 64 ounces blending pitcher handle both small and large tasks, while the single-serve cups cater to on-the-go lifestyles. Say goodbye to uneven chopping or chunky smoothies. This system's precision blades and powerful motor ensure consistent, professional quality results. Key features and benefits. Vessel recognition technology. The intelligent base detects the attached vessel, blender, single-serve cup, or food processor, and lights up the exact controls needed, making operation intuitive and foolproof. 1,500-watt high-performance motor powers through tough ingredients like frozen fruits, leafy greens, and even dough, delivering silky smoothies, creamy purees, and finely chopped vegetables. 7-cup food processor attachment. Equipped with blades for slicing, shredding, chopping, and kneading, this attachment handles everything from meal prep to homemade bread with ease. 64 ounces blending pitcher with vented lid. Perfect for hot soups and purees. The vented snap-on lid ensures safe blending, while the easy pour spout minimizes messes. Single-serve cups, 24 ounces and 32 ounces. Ideal for personal smoothies or protein shakes, complete with to-go lids for busy mornings. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe materials. Crafted from durable, high-performance plastic, all components are safe and easy to clean, saving you time and effort. Compact storage design. Blades stack neatly inside the food processor bowl, keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Who is this product perfect for? The NutriBullet Triple Prep System is ideal for a variety of users. Busy professionals. The single-serve cups and quick operation make it perfect for whipping up nutritious smoothies or shakes on hectic mornings. Health-conscious individuals. Create nutrient-packed smoothies, nut milks, and fresh dips without additives, supporting a healthy lifestyle. Home cooks and culinary enthusiasts. The food processor attachment simplifies chopping, slicing, and kneading, making it easy to experiment with new recipes. Families. The large capacity pitcher and food processor bowl are great for batch cooking, meal prepping, or hosting gatherings. Small space dwellers. Despite its robust capabilities, the compact design and stackable storage make it suitable for apartments or cozy kitchens. Pros and cons. Pros. Multifunctional 3-in-1 design saves counter space and money. Powerful 1,500-watt motor delivers consistent, high-quality results. Intuitive vessel recognition simplifies operation. Dishwasher-safe, BPA-free materials ensure safety and easy cleanup. Versatile attachments cater to a wide range of culinary tasks. Cons. The large footprint may be bulky for very small kitchens. The motor can be loud during high-power tasks like ice crushing. Premium price point. though justified by its versatility and durability. Is it worth the investment? At its core, the NutriBullet Triple Prep System offers exceptional value. By combining 3 appliances into one, it saves space, time, and money compared to buying separate blenders and food processors. Its durable, BPA-free materials and powerful motor ensure long-lasting performance, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to elevate their kitchen game. Whether you're blending smoothies, prepping meals, or hosting a dinner party, this system delivers professional results with minimal effort. Final thoughts. Why you need this in your kitchen? The NutriBullet Triple Prep System is more than a kitchen appliance. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Its versatility, power, and user-friendly design make it a must-have for anyone who loves cooking, values efficiency, or wants to simplify their kitchen routine. From silky smoothies to perfectly prepped ingredients, this system empowers you to create with confidence. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your culinary adventures. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this game changer yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.